Welcome to our channel.
Hello, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about how to increase productivity using our laser welding station. This is the unit structured laser welding station by which we can assemble our battery pack. As we all know that laser welding is the integral part of the battery assembly process, and there is also increasing demand of lithium ion battery in market. So we need to update our laser welding process using this laser welding station. So at the end of this video, you will know why should you buy this product.
The standout features of this product: introducing an automatic focal length height measurement system in place of manual adjustment, providing a closed gantry cabinet to reduce the harmful radiation during the welding process, introducing the automated single-layer, double-speed chain conveyor designed to seamlessly boost productivity in less time. The key components of this product: 3000 watt fiber laser source, galvanometer welding head, CCD visual positioning system, vision camera for automatic focal length height measurement, gantry frame structure, dust suction system, cold water system to support the expansion of nitrogen blowing. Now, let's see how this machine works. Step 1. Start the software platform to run the required laser welding program. Step 2. The battery pack loaded onto the conveyor plate automatically moves to the welding head. Step 3. The welding head automatically adjusts according to the programming. Step 4. After confirming the adjustment, start the laser to perform laser welding on the targeted battery pack. Step 5. After the laser welding is completed, the tooling plate interlock is automatically removed and the final welded battery pack is obtained. Here is the list of our other satisfied clients.